Hello and welcome to this channel. This video is about a very simple plugin and that is also built in within SketchUp, and that plugin is Sandbox. And I am not going to completely cover this plugin but two of its tools. One is Stamp and the other one is Drape. And if you don't see this plugin in your setup, you can just right click on this area and then you can check this sandbox option. Now first I am going to use the drape tool. As you can see that I have a surface and I'm going to explode it. I have this surface. There are a lot of contours and topography is not plain, and if I want to draw some path on it, then as a beginner, it is a very difficult task. But let's just say I click on this drape, then select the entities you wish to drape, because I want to drape this surface. Then select the mesh which you wish to drape on. Like currently this is mesh, so I will just click on it. Now you can see that this path has been draped on it, and if I click, then you can see that it has divided this uneven surface into three different surfaces. If I go to materials, then I can apply materials on it, and for road, here it is. The other tool is stamped, and let's say again I am going to click on this stamp tool, and this time before selecting this surface, currently you can see that the offset is 1 feet. So I am going to click here and enter the offset to 5 feet. Now I'm going to select this surface. Now you can see that there is a highlighted boundary which is in red, and it will show that the stamped surface will be in sloped area. So let's just click on this mesh surface. Now you can see that this new surface which I want to build, it is plain, and the slope is adjusting automatically as per my mouse movement. So let's just say I am going to click here. Now I have another idea. I want to make a smooth road on this surface. I'm going to move a little bit, and now I'm going to select this stamp tool and change the offset to, let's say, 3 feet, and click this surface, and now click this geometry. Now you can see that it has automatically cut this surface and made the road very smooth. This tool is basically very helpful for the objects which we want to drape on the rough or curvy surfaces. And if you have any confusion regarding these two tools, please do ask me in the comment section.